These are a few of the interesting things that I've been learning about the food in Guatemala. I live in the capital, and all over Guatemala City, I've seen a street food that looks like a hot dog. This is called a chuco, and it's served on a toasted bun with one or more types of meat, guacamole, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and boiled cabbage. Something else interesting in Guatemala is that there are traditional soups that come from different regions. One of the most delicious stews I've eaten is called caquic. It's a turkey soup from the department of Alto Pass, and it's one of the only spicy foods I've had in Guatemala, since the locals here add a lot of chile habanero to their foods. Near the border with Mexico is a beautiful lake called Laguna Brava, and it was here that I ate the most delicious freshwater fish. I've eaten this fried fish in a few other places in Guatemala, but it tasted so fresh and delicious here, probably because the water is kept clean and the restaurants are located right at the lake. Something else I found interesting is that in rural Guatemala, the locals create tortillas and chocolate by hand. I was invited into a family's home to learn about this difficult process, and I found it to be so fascinating. Lastly, the food on the Caribbean coast of Guatemala is so unique. In this part of Guatemala, they eat rice and beans, make bread with coconut, and a delicious seafood stew with a coconut broth. They also eat giant tortillas made from flour and not from corn like I've seen everywhere else. I've been learning so much about the food in Guatemala, and I would love to read your feedback in the comments. Let me know what other Guatemalan foods I should try and share in a video.